Hey guys, it's me Daniel. Today I'm going to show you how to read kalimba notes. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is have your kalimba in your hand and also have the packet that comes with it or some kalimba notes. So it will look like this. They'll have a few basic notes in it that you can play easy songs with it. So you see how it has little letters under it? You can see the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Then it's on going up the scale. So you play it like that. So you see, you read it from left to right. So you read left to right from left to right, but from bottom to top. So you go, this is "You're My Sunshine." So you go, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me." Switch to the next one. "Happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away." So it will tell you the key. So it'll show you whole note, half note, eighth note, and quarter note. And if they have different notes and stuff, then they'll tell you that. So that's basically how to read kalimba notes. It's really that easy. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell below so you can check out my new awesome videos. Bye.